man? How you been, buddy?
Good, good.
Check it out, man. Look like Grizzly Adams. I'm all ready for you. We're doing the beard or what?
Yes, we're
all
doing
right,
it.
all
Making
right.
it happen. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna fade in his beard, clean up the little hairs that are sticking out as well, and just line it up nice and clean. So how we're gonna start? We're gonna start going down a little bit with the clipper closed. Just go down a little bit, but not too much, because you always want to keep it natural.
Hey, so Mauri, tell me, man, how long have you been doing this for?
Man, almost 5 years now.
5 years?
Yeah.
You been at this spot for 5 years?
No, I just got this place for maybe about 6 months ago.
So this is like your baby, right?
It is, man. It really is.
So tell me about this passion, man, for barbering. Well, what's the standard? Well, where did it come from?
Well, honestly, man, the more hair I started cutting, the more people I started meeting, the more I started to enjoy it.
I'm assuming it takes time and dedication.
A lot, man.
You know, like, say I want to be a barber, Mauri, and I'm coming up, man, and I'm starting. What advice would you give me?
Well, to not stop cutting hair. Even if you mess it up, not to stop cutting hair. Why? Because you only get better by the times that you fail. So if you don't fail much, you won't really learn much.
Do you think I'll have much success as a balding barber? If I don't have any hair to girls anymore, you think people will come to me?
Oh, probably, man. Yeah, there's a lot of bald guys, man, with beards, so that'll be your market right there.
That could be a bald barber, yeah. Beard barber.
There you go.
Chrome Dome Barbershop. What's your inspiration, Mauri? Who's the biggest inspiration in your life, man?
Oh man, my mom.
Yeah?
My mom, man, she has literally been there for me when I least expected, when all the time, man. She has been my inspiration, man.
So I noticed you're doing a little bit of different strokes with the clippers. Is that kind of to smooth out the hair, or what's going on?
Yeah, that's just to get the tips.
Okay.
That's just to get the tips, because you really don't want to cut down the length, because if you cut down the length, the fade is gonna look lighter in some parts than others, and how you want to maintain the fade is smooth.
Okay. So I got a question for you, Mauri. I see all this New York, you got it decorated, but I see all the New York stuff in the back. What's up with that, man? Are you New York? You been to New York or what?
I haven't been to New York, man, but I'm a Yankees fan.
Oh, Yankees, all right.
Yeah, man. What we're gonna be using now is the half guard with the leather down or closed, and then go up a little bit to try to get the dark little hairs, make it smooth. Then once you see that you get them all, you want to pull down the skin a little bit. Pull up the skin a little bit, and go down a little bit just to get that tips. Don't forget to check your mirrors. Check your mirrors. Come back. Just in case you're missing something. Tell me, bro, how come you haven't gone to a barber?
You know, man, it's been crazy. I went a couple times, but I didn't feel like, one, I got what I wanted, or they weren't really kind of listening to the style I wanted, you know?
Okay.
And, if you weren't in town and I had to look for a barber, what would be like a suggestion you would give me in trying to find one? Because I feel like finding a barber is like finding a good tattoo artist, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I hear you.
Yeah, you don't want a tattoo that says no regrets, you know?
Right. First of all, it depends. Look, presentation is key, you know? So depending, you want to look on his style, how he dresses, how he talks, how he moves. And then from there, that'll give you a little more confidence for you to sit down on his chair. Okay. That's just one. Okay. And another one is to see how his last client looked. If he didn't complain, because he knows he's good. Right. Hey, so how important is it as a barber to listen to the client? Say I come in with a hairstyle idea, but I don't really know what to call it, and I give you a description. I imagine you gotta be like tuned to that. You gotta know your styles, what the customer's looking for. What do you think the most important thing about that is? Well, I think the most important thing about listening to a client is very important. Why? Because you're talking to a person, so obviously you want to pay attention to that person. Yeah, you don't want him, he wants a skin fade and you send him out with a jerry curl. That's not the... Right. I got you. Yeah, you're setting up yourself for failure if you don't listen to that person or what that person likes, because that means that person might not come back, and instead of giving you good props, he probably might give you like a bad name, Right.
Hey, so you know, you were telling me that your mom's your biggest inspiration. So what's the best memory you have of your mom? I'm sure you have a bunch, but let's say what's like the one memory that you were like, oh, mom.
This is it?
Yeah, this is it.
I'll tell you when I got my license, my barber license.
Okay.
When I saw it in the mail, man.
Yeah.
And I got it, I told her. I didn't have a job. I didn't know what I was gonna do, but when I got my license, I was like, I opened it and I saw it and I told my mom, hey, you don't ever have to work in your life. To be honest, I didn't know how I was gonna do it, but just by me having that opportunity, I knew I was gonna be able to make it happen. I was not gonna give up. I was always gonna give it 110%.
Oh, that's awesome, man. That's awesome.
All right, so what I'm about to do now is knock down the little hairs. Sometimes you don't want to go up because there's some hairs that you can actually look very light and then the client might not like it. So what you want to do is you want to open down the lever with the 1.5 and go down. Go down just to get the tips.
So what is that right there, man? That looks like Johnny Five contraction out of Space Odyssey, man.
This is the Andy's T-out.
Okay.
Blacked out. This was modified. Okay. So when I cut it, it cuts per size.
So just like a cutting edge quality, huh?
It's cutting edge quality.
There we go.
What we're gonna do now, we're gonna comb down the little hairs, the mustache hairs, above the lip area.
Is there like a specific style you like the best, or you just kind of like getting creative, or what?
My favorite haircut to do, man, is the low fade.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the low fade because it goes with everything.
Okay, you can kind of rock it, professional, out.
Professional, out,
yeah.
Always looking fresh, man. Low fade is the way to do it.
It's in. Back then it was cornrows, now it's a low fade.
Right. Well, I know your beard, you like it natural, right? As natural as possible.
Yeah, you know, I like it natural. I don't mind a little line, but you know, don't get too crazy. I don't want any swirls in it or nothing.
Alright.
You know, a little star, a little faded stars in there. Yeah.
Alright. So what we're gonna do, since his beard, he wants it natural, as you can see right here, the curves. All we gotta do is just clean it up, clean these hairs up right here. Then you start with the corner. Try to keep it light. And don't worry if it doesn't come out perfect, because whenever you use a straight razor, you're gonna be able to clean that out. Alright. Then we go up against. And we're done.
So what are we doing now here?
Now we're about to just outline your neck area, your jaw area.
Alright.
We're gonna go down.
Oh, nice. Just like that?
There you go. Alright.
Alright, lining it up.
Also, when you're doing the jawline, you want to make sure that your client doesn't talk. Not that it's bad, but because if he moves and you cut just a little bit more than what you weren't supposed to, you're gonna have to go higher. And guess what? The client is not gonna like that. So just be very careful with that. Sorry, I cut you off, bro.
No, you're good. I didn't want to talk anyway right here, man.
Okay. And now, even if you think you're done, just brush it one more time. Remember, in pace, double check. Okay, so now we're about to leave this about 45 to 1 minute so the hair follicles can get relaxed and it'll be a lot better shape and easier shape. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna get my straight razors ready. Okay, we're gonna use a little bit of elegance.
What is that elegance for? What is that?
This is shaving gel.
Oh, okay.
The shaving cream. It's just a little bit cold. It is a little bit cold, but it does the job.
Alright.
And it allows me to see what I'm doing.
Oh,
because with the
nice.
shaving cream, you know, since it's all white and foamy,
right,
you can hardly see where you're cutting or where you're shaving. Alright, so now stretch. Stretch for this. Remember, always stretch the skin. If you don't know how to stretch it, find a way to stretch it, but then again, do not hurt the client.
I don't owe you money, so be gentle.
Either way, man, the hospital is about 2 miles away.
Alright, so here's a serious question, man. So while you're doing this, I gotta ask you, man, what is the craziest thing that you've seen happen at a barbershop?
It was probably when I saw this one older guy sitting at another barber's chair, and next thing you know, I hear the barber calling 911. I don't know why.
Yeah.
But he was calling 911 because there was this older guy passed out on his chair.
Oh wow, man.
He kept tapping on his chest, you know,
Yeah.
trying to wake him up, but nothing. So, you know, everybody stopped, the whole shop stopped. And
Yeah, trying to help.
trying to help, yeah, man.
No, that's sad, man. Was he a regular customer?
Yeah, he was.
Yeah.
He would probably go there like once a month. Yeah, so it turns out it was just a stroke, man, but either way, man, that was one of the craziest things I've seen, you know, as a barber. All right, there you go. Relax. Let's go up. Okay, pace a double check.
Oh, it's the moment of truth. That's good, man. All right. I like it.
A little bit of alcohol.
Stings the nostrils.
Oh, it maintains you fresh.
That's good, man. You gotta stay freshly clean.
Yes, sir.
Let's check this out. Let's see real quick. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, my man hooked it up. Hey, man, I really appreciate you taking your time. Let me come down.
Yeah,
With the beard and everything looking good, man. I'm gonna go show it out to the ladies.